How to create a shared Google Calendar. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar and then you'll find other calendars at the bottom left. Click on the plus icon above it. After you've clicked on the plus icon, click on Create New Calendar. Here, type in the name for your new calendar, description, time zone, and press on Create. After your new calendar is created, you will find it on the left side. And then you'll find three dots in here. Click on it. After you've clicked on it, press on Settings and Sharing. After you click on Settings and Sharing, scroll down and click on Add People and Groups. After you've clicked on Add People and Groups, you'll find this kind of screen. Add people, email that you want to add, and press on Send. Invitation will be sent to them, and after they accept, you will have a shared Google Calendar. This is how to create a shared Google Calendar. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.